Hey everyone, this is Sunglass Rob from SportRx, and I'm here at One Icon, Oakley's interplanetary headquarters, to introduce the limited edition collaboration Oakley SportRx Flak 2.0 XL in matte carbon. This is the best-selling frame at SportRx. It's the best-selling frame at Oakley, and together we came up with this unique, amazing, super wearable color combination. I'm in love with it. I think you will be too. If you want to meet the team that helped make this thing possible, follow me. Can you tell us a little bit about this room?
So this room, which we've dubbed the supermarket, it really houses all of our components that are really crucial for making an SMU.
So like every frame color is in here, every lens color is in here, every icon color is in here, every unobtainium color is in here. So what we got to do when we were creating this exclusive limited edition Flak 2.0 XL with you guys was just run around the room and be like, we like this, and then we like this icon, and we like this lens, and it was super fun.
And SMU stands for special makeup.
Yeah.
So basically anything that lies outside of our inline assortment of product is considered an SMU.
You guys don't do a lot of SMU limited editions with accounts, right?
No, globally in 2019, we're probably at 10 SMUs with accounts. We sell to over 50,000 doors.
Yeah.
Everybody would want their own collaboration, but we like to partner with groups that are deeply embedded with us as a brand.
We get a lot of requests from like world-class athletes, SportRx, really great collaborators, so that we can actually make really unique collections.
Our relationship over the last 15 years has really come to a point now that we want to celebrate that and give you guys the option to have an SMU for SportRx in Oakley.
I think you were the one that delivered the news that this was going to happen to me.
Yeah, I was. Yeah, and
I still think my jaw had to be. It's still like I'm an Oakley head through and through. I've been a fan, so to be able to do this and be in the supermarket room and get to pick our own Oakley is like super cool. What's the process of making a limited edition collab frame?
So it all usually starts off with an initial meeting with the brand or the collaboration partner. It's really nice when the brand, the collaborator actually comes into the office. I think this with you guys, I think it was the first time we actually came into the supermarket. You guys were let in. You guys actually got to see and touch actual color. You guys are very, very hands-on in selecting like the frame color, the sock color, the icon color, the lens color that you wanted.
Well, what you see in the canisters here is the actual raw material. It is a beautiful looking canister.
Yeah, it looks cool.
But it's almost like a science experiment when you're showing like the beaker materials.
It's a little easier when it's in a frame.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And so we take it from its raw form and actually mold it into a frame so that we can test it out, pop lenses in there from the supermarket. We can take lenses and see what works best with it. Add some icons on there as well, or socks, depending on the frame itself. And then we'll go and take them into Paintland. And so from there, we'll apply either the top coat, or if we really want to see some cool techniques, that's where we apply hydrographic film, a little bit of like a distress look to it. I mean, we can do so much here.
Is it really called Paintland?
Yes.
Nice. What do you think about the frame we picked?
Well, Flak Jacket 2.0, as you very well know, is your number one frame. It's also Oakley's number one frame globally. It's an incredibly diverse frame. It can be worn on and off the field, amateur, professional.
This frame can hold a lot of different prescriptions.
It can,
Progressive, single vision, it could do a lot.
Yeah, OTD, progressive, single, Prizm, non-Prizm, clear, photochromic.
So we went matte carbon on the frame, right?
Right.
matte black on the unobtainium.
Yep.
And then the icon was a super special icon. It's called, what is it called?
Soft touch black.
Soft touch black.
Yeah. So I think the colors you guys went with were awesome. So we haven't actually used this matte carbon color on a flak jacket before, which I think makes this one really special.
It is really cool.
It's so wearable, so versatile. I mean, anyone can wear this, and then you can see as you put in different lenses with your prescription, it changes the look of the frame almost.
It's almost like we picked a perfect frame, and there's like every lens is the art piece that's being framed. So it really pops the lens colors so well, like almost anything you pick.
We're probably kicking ourselves why we didn't do a carbon.
It's
matte
ours.
carbon.
It's limited edition.
Yeah, it's theirs
ours
now. Yeah, it's the contract is signed. It's theirs.
Yeah, awesome.